In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up personal booking pages with Google Calendar. If you've ever gone back and forth trying to find a meeting time, a personal booking page can do the heavy lifting for you. It lets people pick from your available times, automatically checks your calendar for conflicts, and creates the event without any extra messages. We'll walk through the essentials so you can get a clean professional page live in just a few clicks. Start by opening Google Calendar in your browser. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to use for bookings and that your time zone looks correct in Calendar. That way, the times people see on your page match your real schedule. It's best to do this on a desktop for full access to the setup screens. Next, open Appointment Schedule. This is the feature that powers your personal booking pages. Think of it as a streamlined way to let others request time with you while you stay in control of when and how those meetings happen. You'll be guided through a short setup that's clear and fast. Choose General Availability. This is the foundation of your booking page. General Availability tells Calendar the days and hours you're typically open to meet, and it respects any events already on your calendar, so no one can book over existing commitments. It's a simple way to avoid double bookings without juggling separate tools. Click here. Next, to move into the details for this specific booking page. Here, you're creating the front door that invitees will use. Give your booking page a clear, helpful title. Use something that instantly tells people what the meeting is for, like intro call, project check-in, or office hours. Good naming helps set expectations before anyone clicks. You can also customize the booking form to require specific information. Ask for what you need to make the meeting productive, such as a short agenda, relevant links, or a preferred contact method. Keep questions concise and purposeful so guests can book quickly while you get the context you need. When you're satisfied, click Save. That's it. Your personal booking page is created. Google Calendar will generate a dedicated page where people can pick from your available times and book in just a couple of steps. You can revisit this setup anytime to adjust the title, availability, or the details you collect. With this in place, scheduling becomes easier for everyone, and you gain back time you'd otherwise spend coordinating. Thanks for following along, and enjoy your new Google Calendar booking page.